Well, hello there. It's my turn to do a recipe. I'm gonna make up some chicken and some Schwartzies in Mexico and feed it to my Mexican friends. Let's see how this works out. I couldn't find, no, I didn't look for any frozen hash browns, so I'm making my own. Probably better anyway. So I'm just gonna shred them all up, throw them in the frying pan to pre-cook them, and we'll go from there. I'm pretty good at this because this is how I used to make my morning hash browns in Canada because I didn't like the frozen ones. Since I am making homemade hash browns, I have to fry the potatoes up because they won't get cooked enough in the casserole dish. So a little bit of olive oil, fry them up. So while you're cooking up them hash browns, gotta shred a few onions here too. About a half a cup for taste, of course. So the potatoes got a little brown to them. Kind of like hash browns. Looks good. Put it into the pan. And that part's done. Try not to mess up your wife's kitchen too much, like I do. I'm always in trouble. Okay, I'm on my second batch of potatoes because I forgot how much they fry down, so I don't have enough potatoes. Would have been a hell of a lot easier just to buy hash browns that are frozen, but too late now. Okay, I'm back to grating, this time cheddar cheese, while I'm cooking the second batch of hash browns. This is getting a little old. I think I need an assistant, but she's having a nap right now because she was cooking before. So it's my turn. With this, we're cooking roast chicken in the air fryer. And I hope the chicken isn't this much work. Okay, got the butter in there. I think that's half a cup. Got the cheese, that was supposed to be 2 cups. I think I got that. Got half an onion. Okay. Put that extra batch of potatoes on top of the butter. Should melt it down. Okay, now we're gonna add this mushroom soup. I like it here in Mexico. They got little tabs. I don't have to go looking for my can opener. In goes the mushroom soup, 2 cans. Okay, next some sour cream. And this isn't sour cream. Sour cream's just about impossible to find in Mexico. So we're using crema. So there's a little trick to this crema. Calls for 2 cups of sour cream. So the trick is you gotta take half a lime and squeeze it into the cup of crema. Make sour cream instantly. And you stir it up a bit and you have sour cream. Cool, eh? All the ingredients that I need, so we'll just give it a quick stir. Well, maybe a big stir. All the ingredients together, sour cream, Mexican style, cheddar cheese, a few onions, of course the hash browns, a little salt, so however you like your salt in it. And this here is how it looks when it's all mixed up, kind of a mess. We're gonna throw it into the air fryer. Kind of works as an oven too because we don't have an oven, just a stovetop. I think it's quite common because our last apartment didn't have a stove or a oven in it either. This thing works like a dream. Okay, in it goes. 350 for an hour. Oh, just about maxed it up. Okay, let's see what happens. Here comes my boss. Gonna test out my
Vamos a dar un visto bueno.
Schwartzies.
Ay, 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 está muy caliente.
Oh, I think she approves. Okay.